Guys, today I'm taking a look at this cool smart body tape measure. Intrigued? Well, stick around as it's coming right up. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the smart body tape measure from Arboleaf. Now, if you don't know Arboleaf, well, they make products that leverage the latest technology to promote healthier lifestyle. And I've had the pleasure of reviewing their smart food scales, their smart bathroom scales, and their smart portable massager. And I can honestly say I'm a fan. Now, before we get into it, Arboleaf reached out to me and asked me to take a look at this smart body tape measure in exchange for my honest review. And you know guys, whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So before we get into it, let's get this unboxed and see what we have. So guys, open up the box and it's all very straightforward. We have some instructions, a coin battery which you need to install, and the smart body tape measure itself. Now, taking a look at this tape measure, it's all plastic. On the front, you've got an LCD display. You have a power button and another button marked M. Now, if you short press this button, it will take the measurement, and long pressing changes the units of measurement. On the bottom, you have an unlock button, more on that in a second. Oh, and on the top, you have the tape retract button. So guys, how do we use this? Well, although you can use this as a normal tape measure, when you pull a tape out, the LCD displays the measurement, and it's going to give you a very, very accurate digital readout. Now, that's pretty handy as it's quick and very clear. But this tape measure is actually designed to make it super easy to measure your own body parts. Okay, don't get too excited with that, but for the boys out there, you can if you want, but I'm talking arms, legs, waist, etc. So guys, if you're tracking some muscle growth or diet, this smart body tape measure is going to be just the job, particularly if you don't have anyone to help you. Simply pull the tape out, click it into the socket, and press the retract button to get the right sizing, and boom, you have got a super accurate reading. Now, okay, if that wasn't smart enough, then check this out. There's an app. Yeah, there's always an app. But this app enables you to add your smart tape measure as a device. And once you've added it as a device to the Arboleaf app, you are able to go into the app, you can select your body parts, you can actually intelligently track your measurements through the app. And also, if you don't want to look at the display when you're actually doing the measurement, you know what? It's all getting recorded because it's Bluetooth. It's all getting recorded to the app, guys. So that is pretty cool. So guys, there you have it. This is the smart body tape measure from Arboleaf. You know what? I've played around with it. It's super accurate. It's super easy to use. And guys, do you know what? It's actually pretty cool. Like I said, you can use it for ordinary measurements or the body measurements with the app. So yeah, pretty smart. Guys, if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them in the comment section below. I'll leave any product descriptions and any discount codes in the description. If you'd like to see me use this in a different way, a few more ways perhaps, then leave me a comment. And guys, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching. Thanks to Arboleaf for sending me this cool smart body tape measure. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.